How's everyone? Well, this Teach Me Tuesday is a great way to meet together every week. Topic for today is when the challenge challenges you, just challenge the challenge. And this is my life motto also. In life, we face different challenges, we come across different obstacles, different hurdles, and what I believe in is turning those obstacles into stepping stones. So we can either build a wall to protect us, or we can just use those to rise higher and higher step by step. So, in this way, it helps us to look around us on a higher platform from a place where others cannot see what we can see, and it helps to overcome self doubts and to gather our confidence and also to do things in a different way. We may be well versed in what we are doing, our expertise, but there are times when we need to do those things in a different way. And the obstacles can actually become a gratitude point where we can start stretching our mind and start looking at things in a different way, how we can be grateful for it. And by being grateful for it, what can we do that will just switch our perspective or give us a paradigm shift or just merely stretch our mind and our emotions, and we can get out of feeling overwhelmed or even depressed, because I believe depression is a luxury I cannot afford. I'd rather afford diamonds. So when we face challenge, just challenge the challenge, because you can just keep on saying empowering things and start feeling it in this way, that this challenge does not know that it has come in my way. So in this way, this is how we can challenge the challenge itself. And in doing so, groups like these, like CAT, encourages us every day, every week, to do things that we are destined to do. We are living our purpose by doing these Facebook lives and by announcing our courses and whatever the task of the day is. So this is what we need to do to carry out our momentum, to build up our momentum, because it gives us self-leadership and it boosts us in a way that serves our dreams and our purposes. We need to nurture our dreams, we nurture our kids, we nurture our friends. We need to nurture ourselves also. When the challenge challenges you, just challenge the challenge. Thank you. Take care.